Pluto by Fairwinds. This tool basically used to identify the Kubernetes resources that has been deprecated. So many times we have identified that while deploying to a specific Kubernetes version, we fail to check the deprecations for our manifest files, since there are a number of maybe microservices, or you can say a number of the code repositories that we manage, and because of which sometimes that happens like on the production deployments we identify this on the day of the deployment, and becomes very difficult to manage and maintain that. So we can use Pluto, which can be used to identify the deprecated Kubernetes manifest files, whatever the API versions that we are using beforehand, so that we can take appropriate actions to update those for the specific version of Kubernetes release. So long story short, this Pluto is a tool that can be used to identify the deprecated versions. This can be checked within the infrastructure as code repos, whether you have the static manifest files or Helm charts, and you can also scan them against the live Helm releases, so it can directly check the Helm deployments that you have on your cluster for any deprecation channel. So let's see the installation for this. Since we are using Mac, so we'll be using this command to install it. So we'll wait once the installation is done, then we'll just verify. The tool is installed. So once the tool is installed, we can identify this by various commands. So we have manifest files which are deprecated. So let's check the CLI. So let's say detect basically checks a single file, and detect files checks for multiple files. So let's say that we have multiple files that are present, so we'll check for the deprecations. So let's say Pluto detect files. If I go right and click the start, so here it has shown that there is deprecated cron job, which is a kind of cron job, and the version that we are currently using is v1 beta 1, and the replacement that is suggested to us is batch v1. The deprecation started in version 1.21, and it will be removed in 1.25. So this kind of information which gets to us, which basically is helpful for us to like take any actions around this. So these are the static files that we have run against. So let's say that if we want to run against an Helm chart, so for this this is my Helm chart which is present. So let me generate the template for us, and this is the particular template which is created, which has namespace, service account, and cluster role, and all those things. So let's run against this. So what we are going to do, and once we executed against this Helm template, we came to know that we are using a cron job which is using batch version v1 beta 1, and that needs to be replaced with batch/v1, and the deprecation started in 1.21 and will be removed 1.25. So this is how you can scan your Helm charts. Now coming to a point like where we want to identify the deprecations within a cluster itself, or within a cluster for a specific Helm specific namespace also. So we have different namespaces. So let's say that I want to run it against default namespace. So let me just see that there are multiple pods which are present in the default namespace. So let me run it, and if I run against the namespaces, so let's say so here this is detect helm is the command. So and the release name, which is, let's say, Angular 18 is the release name. Default, and once we execute this, we can see that there is nothing which is present, and we can also run against all the resources in the cluster by running this command. So I hope this will be helpful for you to identify any deprecations within your IC codes or your Helm chart. Thank you.